Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are in good health. Let's start study class 7th subject English grammar chapter 1st determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in some way. Examples: any, some, the, that. Kinds of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessive, interrogatives, distributives, quantifiers. Students, today I am going to explain you articles. We know that the words a, an, and the are called articles. They are used to point out people or things. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite article and definite article. A and an are the indefinite articles. These articles do not point to a particular person or thing. The is the definite article. It points to a particular person or a specific thing. Indefinite article. Let us revise the rules of using the indefinite articles a and an. Articles a and an are used with a noun that is not particular but is general. They are also used with singular countable nouns. We use a before a noun beginning with a consonant sound. We use an before a noun with a vowel sound. Some words begin with a consonant that is silent and a vowel sound can be heard. The article an is used before such word. Examples: an hour, an honest man. Some words begin with a vowel in writing, but a consonant sound is heard. The article a is used with such word. Example: a useful person. We use the articles a and n before degrees and titles. Example: a PhD and MA. We use the articles a and n when we speak of a profession or a post. We use the articles a and n when we speak of nationalities and religions. We use the articles a with nouns that denote a class, a kind, or a species. Definite article. Let us now revise the rules of using the definite article the. The is used when a particular person or thing is referred to with common nouns that are unique, such as the sun, the earth, with a common noun when it refers to the whole class, with superlative degrees before the names of musical instrument, religion, texts and epics, monuments, well-known buildings, families, newspaper, certain countries that contain a common noun, countries that have plural names, trains, ships, and aeroplanes, religious communities, awards and honors, titles, famous events, seas, river, ocean, mountain, ranges, groups of islands and canals, points and areas on the globe, forests, peninsula, deserts, and gloves. Dear students, now you have to do this assignment in your notebook. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.